Hello, welcome here on our Omron booth in Hannover. Let me introduce you what we talk here about and what we show here in Hannover on the exhibition. We have here a very new design where we tell a total story of eye automation. The vision of Omron is to tell how can we improve lives and contribute to a better society. And we want to contribute to a better society with automation. To do that, we call our automation platform Innovative Automation. The eye automation platform consists of three elements. The three elements are called integrated, intelligent, and interactive. Interaction means interaction between humans and machines. We do not intend to eliminate the factor human in an automation system. We want to integrate the humans into the production line and to harmonize the work between people, between humans and the machines, to optimize the processes and to be much more efficient through this harmonization. The second I is the intelligent. We included in our technology also intelligent mechanisms, let's say. Technology that can decide somehow for itself and can find out patterns to differ between bad and good products, for example. So it is included in several systems like vision technology, like control technology. And the third I is about integration. Integration means not only the integration of each of the technology elements we have in the automation platform, it's also the integration into the whole production process. So means we can provide technology that can be implemented in the production line itself and can provide data for improvement of the efficiency of the process itself. Yeah? So these are the three I's that we combine here in one total solution, in one platform that is called eye automation.